Good evening and welcome to another episode of the Bench Jeweler. We've been working on this Omega Moonwatch and getting pretty close to able to put it back together now. The case has been all polished and brush finished where it was supposed to be brush finished. I ordered pusher buttons, and they were the wrong one. Well, they really weren't the wrong ones, but these were the ones I ordered, but they were not Omega parts, and you can see that they're just not quite right. This is one that I ordered. Turn him over here, and you can see the difference here. This screw is, well, you may not be able to see it, but this screw is too small. And this one's much larger on the top here. So then the difference is that these are original Omegas, and the ones I ordered in were not. So I also got a Omega case gasket. There's a new gasket for the case. I also bought an Omega crystal for it and paid too much. I think I paid too much for everything, but. If you want original parts, and I did, you'll pay for it. So I'm just kind of showing you. I've got the watch band pretty well done too. It's all been brush finished. So go figure. So all the parts are here. There's the crown for it, and the rest of the bracelet parts. So we're just about ready to finish this baby up, and so this is the dial for it, right here, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready now to service it. I got the hands for it over here, and I just thought I'd make a real quick video here to show you where we're at on this thing. I'm about ready to reassemble the crystal, and I've already put one button on, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and put the next one on and tighten it up, and then we'll put the crystal in and finish cleaning up the movement right there, and then we'll put her together and see what we have. So just thought I'd give you a quick update as to where we're at, and hope you enjoyed the little episode. It certainly enjoyable to me to show people what we can and can't do. So this baby is highly polished now. So some people said not to do it, but I went ahead and did it. So the whole thing is polished the way it should be if it was originally brand new. So thanks for watching, and we'll get back to you when we get ready to finish it up. Okay, it's 5 o'clock, and then following day. So sadly, my batteries in my camera ran out, and so I didn't video servicing the watch movement. So I'm sorry about that, but I really don't think anybody wanted to sit and watch 2 hours of tearing a watch down and cleaning the jewels and putting everything back together and then certifying it on the water meter and then timing it out. So it's about 10 to 5, and I just finished it up. The case is done. The band has been completely rebuilt, and it is ready to go back to my son. So when he gets home, I guess I'll give him a watch. So hope you guys enjoyed the little series on this, but it's really a gorgeous watch when it's all done. Now I got a plastic protective over the crystal, and won't take it off until I get it to his house. So hope you enjoyed this as much as I did doing it. So total restore of an Omega Moonwatch, and took me just a little over 2 weeks to find parts, real Omega parts, and another week or two to get everything cleaned up, polished, and put it back together. So you can see it's running right now. This is a really wonderful little watch. So, and I'm sure my oldest son will enjoy it. Both my kids like Omega, so we'll let you go, and we'll get on to the next clock project. So happy go lucky. Catch you guys later.